Imagine a device that transforms your photography game, making every shot a masterpiece. The Mate X-T's camera setup is designed to do just that. Let's explore why this might be the best smartphone camera out there. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly extraordinary, the Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate. This phone isn't just about sleek design and innovative features. It's about capturing life's most cherished moments in stunning detail. First, let's talk features. 50MP main sensor delivers crystal clear shots, perfect for every occasion. Whether it's a sunset or a candid moment, you'll capture it beautifully. 12MP ultra-wide lens captures expansive landscapes or big group photos effortlessly, making sure no one is left out of the frame. 12MP periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. It gets you closer to the action without sacrificing quality, bringing distant subjects into sharp focus. Huawei packed this phone with cutting-edge technology that feels almost magical. Image stabilization ensures sharp images, even when you're on the move or in a hurry. Various shooting modes, whether it's night mode or portrait, every shot looks professional, turning ordinary moments into extraordinary memories. 8MP front camera with HD are vivid and smart filters. Your selfies will be Instagram ready, showcasing your best self every time. Now, let's see it in action. These photos speak for themselves, capturing vibrant colors and incredible detail. The Huawei Mate X-T Ultimate redefines smartphone photography. Whether you're a pro or just love taking photos, this camera will exceed your expectations and inspire your creativity. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.